Gama uPasonini channel yakho iLufleki ufuna namhla sikhulume ngendoda indoda siyifanise njengomlimi irresponsibility yendoda ayihlukile kuyomlimi ingakho sizothi indoda umlimi noma indoda ezifama bese siwesifazane is a land uma sikhuluma la ngeland sikhuluma ngomhlaba umhlaba uhlona kuyigaba kunomhlaba olungele ukutshala kube nomhlaba ongalungele nje ukutshala sanhlobo ongeke kumile lutho mukatshala kona kube nomhlaba olungele ukwakha kube nomhlaba olungele ukudla imfuyo kube nomhlaba ongalungele ukudla imfuyo kube nomhlaba ongalungele ukwakha futhi kube nomhlaba ongalungele ngisho nokutshala ke futhi akukho ongakwenza ngawo lo mhlaba lo is useless. So then ngimasikhuluma la ngokuthi indoda izeyifama kufanele siyifanise indoda nomlimi sithi indoda ingumlimi ngenxa ukuthi umlimi une responsibility yokubheka nokufuna umhlaba osuitable for his desired produce where ufuna ukwenza ini lo mhlaba bese buka umhlaba olungele ukwenza lento leyo afuna ukuyenza kanti okunye singabalula futhi ngawo umlimi noma ifama ukuthi umfama lo nomlimi uyafuna an arable land elungele izitshalo lezi afuna ukuzenza ukuze ezokhiqiza isivuno esiwungqo noma isivuno esihamba phambili. Kanti ke masikhuluma ngearable land la sikhuluma ngomhlaba ocapable ukuthi ungalinywa uphinde ukukhulise izitshalo ezithile. Uma sikhuluma la lo mhlaba lo ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ube nestatus semoisture esithile esidingakalayo ube nesoil depth ethile esuke idingeka nebalekile mhlawumbe noma islope condition kuma kwalowo mhlaba kukulungela ukuthi umhlaba ongathi mawulima ungafiki makufama zageleze ugeleze umhlabathi kumuka izinto uyitshalile ama nutrients athile kanye nesalinity izona zonke izinto ezibhekwa umlimi uma ezotshala. So sisibheka la ukuthi umlimi une responsibility ukuthi futhi aqinisekise ukuthi ukhetha aphinde asebenzise umhlaba ovundile umhlaba onama nutrients umhlaba oconducive for lelo hlobo lwezitshalo afuna ukuzikhiqiza kulowo mhlaba yabo. So asikhulume la ngomuntu ngisho ke noma ngathi mhlawumbe ufuna la mhlawumbe awufuna ukutshala ufuna ukufuya njengomfuyi unakhona une responsibility yokubuka indawo engamadlelo ahlaza indawo elungele uba ngamadlelo indawo elungele ukuthi ngadlisa imfuyo indawo ene good and a favorable weather condition ekuthi ngakwazi ukuthi kuphile kuyona izilwane noma imfuyo futhi kufanele uchoose a grasslands indawo enotshani obuhle nobupalatable for imfuyo yangithi. So you don't just choose umhlaba ngenxa ukuthi uyawuthanda noma muhle kodwa ngenxa yama features athile angungqo noma akuwona lungele lento ofuna ukuyenza uma ukuthi ufuna ukutshala ufuna ukufuya nje yabona. So la ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ube nesivuno esihle ube nemiphumela emihle ukwazi ukuthi yonke into oyenzile ihambe kahle lapho kungenxa yemphumela walomhlaba osubukhethile waphindwa usebenzisa. So njengomlimi noma as a farmer once uwathola nomhlaba omuhle nokulungela ukutshala uphinde ube neresponsibility yokuprepare yokucultivate yokufaka omanyolo yokufaka ama fertilizer yokufaka umquba ulungisele ukuthi uphinde ulungele even more ukuthi ungatshala ngaphambi ukuthi utshale awuveli ukuthi ngoba hayi ulungele ukutshala avela utshala ube siyawulungisa ube sesimeni sokuthi wenze njani ukwazi ukuthi utshale kona. So kusho ukuthi engizama ukuveza la noma ngithi kuba specific you don't just choose a woman only because she's beautiful or because you have feelings kodwa you have a full responsibility as a man ukubheka ukuthi does she possesses ama character noma a character noma ama characteristics angamenza ukuthi ube owesifazane okulungela ukuthi wena ube around yena mhlawumbe impilo yakho yonke ubheka ukuthi uwesifazane onale lifestyle ofuna ukuyiphila yini wena futhi ubheka ukuthi ungowesifazane olungeleni ukuthi kwakhe umndeni lona owucabangayo lo mndeni ofunayo futhi uwesifazane lokulungeleni ukuthi akukhulisela abantwana nje ofuna ukukhulisa kahle unawo noma ucapable yini ukuthi angakhulisa umntwana eminqoqa izona zonke uyibhekayo bese futhi uma ungakhethwa wesifazane ngenxa ukuthi mhlawumbe muhle noma ukhethwa wesifazane ngenxa ukuthi mhlawumbe uyamthanda ila control ukuthi uyindoda ungabhekana nokuphoxeka okuningi ngenxa ukuthi mhlawumbe ngenzeka abe muhle noma ngenzeka umthande but ukuthi that person lack irrespect, lack ama-good morals, selfish, and umuntu mhlawumbe who's not easy to live with, yayibona. So ingakho kubalulekile you must first check ama-qualities, ama-features anawo lwesifazane kanjani, then bese uphinde usebenzela phezu kwawo uku-add ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abe ngohamba phambili, abe unqa phambili kulento agudi kuyona. Uma ukuthi uyabona ukuthi umuntu ozehlisile, umuntu onatha, then add ukuthi aqhubeke abe lo muntu loyo. Kungabi khona into ozozenza ezizimguqule manje ukuthi agcine ngasasile into le, but your actions, your reactions, your words, everything oyenzayo funa icompliment lento ayiyona, so that azowathi abe ungqo kulento ayiyo, azoba muhle kakhulu kulento, azo-excela kulento ayiyo nalento oyifunayo wena, yabo. 2, asithi ubheka iBhayibheli lapha kuGenesis 4 verse 1 to 14. Abraham was now old, and the Lord had blessed him in every way. He said to the senior servant in his household, the one in charge of all that he had, put your hand under my thigh. I want you to swear the Lord, by the Lord, the God of heaven and the God of earth, that you will not get a wife for my son from the daughters of Canaanites among whom I'm living, but will go to my country, my own relatives, and get a wife for my son. The servant asked, what if the woman is unwilling to come back with me to this land? Shall I take your son back to that country you came from? Make sure that you do not go, you do not take my son there. Abraham said, the Lord, the God of heaven, who brought me out of my father's household and in my native land, and who spoke to me and promised me on oath, saying to your offspring, I'll give this land. He will send his angel before you so that you can get a wife for my son from there. If the woman is unwilling to come back with you, then you will be released from the oath of mine. Only do not take my son back there. So the servant put his hand under the thigh of his master Abraham, and saw an oath to him concerning the matter. Then the servant left, taking him 10 of his master's camels loaded with all kinds of good things from his master's, and set out for Aram Naharaim, and made his way to the town of Nahor. He had camels kneel down near the well outside the town. It was towards the evening, the time the women go out to draw water. Then he prayed, Lord God of my master Abraham, make me successful today and show kindness to my master Abraham. See, I'm standing beside this spring, and the daughters of the townspeople are coming out to draw water. May it be that when I say to a young woman, please let down your jar so that I may drink, I may have a drink, and she says, drink, and I will water your camels too. Let her be the one you have chosen for your servant Isaac. By this I will know that you have shown kindness to my master. So lokho kusho ukuthi ingane zakwethu ovela la into yokuqala kufanele siyibalo ngako lokho ukuthi into yokuqala uthi hayi la kulaba besifazane bala kodwa hamba izweni la kusho ukuthi into yokuqala ebalekile ukuthi ufuna uthatha umuntu o-uphold ama-values and beliefs le wena your values and your beliefs, umuntu ohambisana nezinkolelo zakho, umuntu ohambisana nama-values wakho, umuntu onalama qualities and a lifestyle yakho. Ingakho ayezweni lakhe because le baphila le lifestyle yakhe banama values lawa aphola the belief system yabo ile ehambisana nayo. Futhi kubalekile ukuthi choose umuntu onjalo. 3, into esibhekayo la ukuthi usethi akubo umuntu ozophuzisa mina phuzisa amakameli. Usho labo ukholiswa i-compassion, the passion for people, the passion for izinto that you value. Amakameli bekuyona into abayivalueshayo ezinye izinto. Umuntu o-selfless, umuntu who is able to take care, umuntu who is able to look after, umuntu who is ongena selfless, umuntu okhathalele abanye abantu nezinye izinto. Uyabonga sonke isathi izo into efuniswe ungathatha umuntu ongeke ongamazi ukuthi uyoyithatha kanjani ifamily yakho, umuntu abangani bakho, your family, your people, your surroundings, your neighbors. Konke lokufuna umuntu onjani towards abanye abantu, towards ezinye izinto, ikakhulu lezi zinto ozivalueshayo. Iloko okubalekile ngaza ukuthi umuza uzothatha umuntu as indoda, bheka ukuthi lo muntu loyo ukulungele ini ukuphila nabantu ophila nabo wena, ukulungele ini ukuthi izinto wena ozivalueshayo azivalueshe. Ngifuna ukuthi sibambe la kodwa singayiqhubeka sikhulume kuphi on a comment section. Sizokwazi ukuthi siqhube futhi sibheke futhi ngokulandelayo abantu besifazane, sibheke futhi ne responsibility yabo. But as a man, you've got a very big responsibility when it comes to taking umuntu besifazane as your woman, as your wife. Yabo.